Hi guys, it's your boy Daniel and welcome to my YouTube channel. By now I'm sure you all know that we dish out some amazing content that may affect your personal finances. So today I'm gonna show you how I sold a house without an estate agent. We had initially bought this house as part of our rental property portfolio, but when the interest rates went up and when we changed our strategy to flipping, we decided that we're gonna sell the place. We all know that real estate agents have a lot of experience in what they do, and it will be advisable to sell with the ones that have passion for what they do and are familiar with the area. If you have some experience in the property market like I do, you'll probably want to sell on your own so that you can save some cost, and this is how I did it. The first thing that you need to do is prepare your house for listing. Make sure that the house is clean, freshly painted, and all the electrical sockets are in working order. If you didn't do any renovations to the house, you can use old pictures of the house because that will be less stress for you. If you have to take the pictures, I will suggest that you watch YouTube videos on how to take pictures of a house. After taking pictures of the house, list it on Property 24 or and private property. After listing the house, you need to prepare for viewings. I will suggest that you watch YouTube videos or go for an actual viewing and observe how an estate agent sells the house to you. When you have prepared for viewings, I also suggest that you prepare an OTP, which is an offer to purchase. You can get one from PNA, which is a generic one, or you can get an attorney to draft it for you. Once the seller has viewed the house, signed the OTP, you need to remember that the seller, which is yourself, chooses the transfer attorney while the bank chooses the bond registration attorney. The buyer is going to pay for the bond registration cost and the transfer cost. And if the house is over 1 million rand, then the buyer is going to pay a transfer duty, which is basically a tax to SARS. You as the seller will have to pay for the municipal rates clearance certificate, and if you stay in a complex, you will also have to pay for the levy clearance certificate. With the rates clearance certificate, you are basically paying your municipal rates 3 to 4 months in advance. Once you are done with that, you will also have to pay for the electrical compliance certificate. After covering all those costs, then you will have to go and sign the transfer documents with the attorneys. After all that is done, you can leave everything to the capable hands of the attorneys who will lodge the transfer at the deeds office. After lodgement, the property will be registered onto the buyer's name. If you learned anything on this video, please subscribe and like the video so that we can put out more content like this one. Thank you. Bye.